This is a 2016 Jeep Wrangler JKU. I have one key that has not been programmed, and I have two keys that are programmed. You're going to need two keys. So I'm going to take my first program key, turn it to the on position. See that red dot in the corner? It's going to go away. First key needs to be in there 5 to 15 seconds. All right, pull it off to the off. Now I'm going to put the second program key in there. This one needs to be in there at least 10 seconds. The red dot turned off. Now wait until it starts to flash. Okay, you see it start to flash now? Then you take it off. You put your program key in. See how it's flashing? It's going to go away. Now we'll speed this up, but this took about 45 seconds, and this was due to the fact that it had the remote start as well versus just the keyless entry. Went away, took a little longer, turned it off, and now let's hope this key is now programmed. All right, so, that was pretty easy once you get your key fob, but let me just give you a couple pointers and some questions that you're gonna have. Number one, you get the key fob to match your vehicle. So my vehicle's a 2016 with remote start, so I needed the key fob. I got it on Amazon. I'll put the what I got in the description. But I got this key fob for the JK, and if you don't have remote start, you can get the one with just the two options for keyless entry or the panic button. But what you do is you get a blank key when it comes, the fob and a blank key. And there are companies, I went to a Walmart, and the Walmart said our policy says we can't cut the key with the fob on it. But there's some other stores, pretty common stores that are out there. I don't want to call any out, that if you just go talk to them, they sell these blank keys. Really, you're paying them to cut a key from the blank key that they sell. So I just said, hey, if I just buy a couple of those blank keys or a blank key, instead of cutting that, can you just cut my fob? I'll take full risks. And they had no issue with it. So you go and you get some locksmith that does it. You may be able to get it cheap as $75 for them to do this. But I bought this for $19 plus tax. I went and paid a few dollars for the blank key and for them to cut it. And so for under $30, I have a key that works. That is the problem, though, that you're going to face, is who's going to cut your key for you. And so make sure that you know a place that will do that before you go and invest the money in this. All right? Thank you for watching. Please realize using a professional locksmith minimizes all risk. This video is showing you how to program the key yourself using the sequence of steps that's highlighted in this video. Cutting the key can cause damage to a key fob if not done correctly. Please understand this is where you are taking that risk. Thank you.